So welcome to the second video in our LLM series. In this video, we will see how inference works. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I am Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. So we will have a query and we will go through the same steps where we convert the query to tokens and then that tokens to embedding vectors. Then we will use the transformer model, in this case GPT-2 model. We will use the weights of step 1. During our training, we save the weights and then that will generate the output token ID. Finally, map the tokens back to English text. So that is what we are going to see. So let's look at the code. So this is called generate.py. Similar to our train.py, when we run this container, we map the output directory step 1 output underscore model to app model. So that step 2 container gets the model data. Okay, so now prompt, I love. Okay, so this is the question, I love. We are tokenizing this I love. This is the generation loop. Here we are, let's specify max tokens 3. So that many tokens it will generate in a loop. Okay. And then we are printing the generated tokens. And then we are using the same tokenizer to decode the tokens back to text. Isn't it interesting? So let's go to that folder. Step 2, Docker Compose up, build. Okay, so here is the output. We are using CPU. Here is the prompt, I love. So this is the tokenized input. Like we saw before, I has become 40. Love is 1842. So we saw in the web interface, so here I love will be 40 and 1842. This is GPT-2 tokenizer. That much is clear. Next is generate token ID. See here. This is the output of the generation loop. 40 we got, 40 is I, 1842 is love, then 11875 is cats. We are getting it 3 times, 3 tokens. And decoded output is I love cats. So if we say 1 token, you should get I love cats. See here, I love cats. So if you have a very long token, it will continue to generate words, but since our input data is very small, it only had 3 words, it ran out of new tokens to be created, so it repeated the last token. Clear? So that is it for this video. So a quick recap. In our first video, we saw how to train and create a model. Essentially, create a model means create the weights and biases for the neural network. And we followed these steps and then we used that model to generate the next token. So subsequent videos, we will also do such tiny example of fine-tuning a model, converting the model to GGUF format, because current format is the HuggingFace format. We will also see how we can convert it into Apple Silicon MLX format. And we will also see how we can use this model within Ollama. So there will be a series of very unique, very precious, very tiny examples like this. So stay tuned. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.